will solve this one. Find the product of 5t over 8 and 4 over 3t squared. Okay? So, kopyahin muna natin yung 5t over 8 product times 4 over 3t squared. So, gagawin natin dito, kunin natin yung prime factorization. So, unahin muna natin itong first 5t or 5 times t over yung 8. Yung prime factorization ng 8 is 2 times 2. That is 4 times 2. So, magiging 8 yan. Times 4, 2 times 2 over 3 times t times t. Kasi dalawang t yan or t squared. So, dito tayo sa baba, equals, i-cancel natin yung 2. Saka isa pang 2. Okay, isang t. Ayan. So, sa numerator, ang naiwan dyan ay 5. 5 na lang. Over 2 times 3 is 6 times t, 6t. Okay, so sa choices, letter B is the correct answer.